this video, I will show you how to swap crypto on Crypto.com. To do this, go and open up the Crypto.com app and just click on your accounts in the bottom. From here, open up your crypto account. And now here, what you can simply do is click transfer. And then now here, what you can simply do is click on the cryptocurrency you want to swap. So for me, it's Kronos, so I'll click on that one. And then from here, you want to go and click on sell. For me, CRO, for you it may be Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. And then you will see this. So you want to set it to selling to crypto. Then at the top, choose how much you want to sell. I'll just click max. And then here, choose which cryptocurrency you want to sell it for. For example, I want to use Solana, so sell it for Solanas. And then here I can just search for Solana. For example, I will just sell it for Ripple, so then I can click Ripple right here and then click on sell however much of which cryptocurrency you're selling at the bottom, and then click confirm, enter your passcode. And from here you can see I have now sold the cryptocurrency for a different one, so now my CRO balance will be at 0 and my XRP balance will be at the same amount that my Kronos balance was. So that's how to swap crypto on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.